Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just going to be about this very nice, subtle, springy-ish type of look using the Colourpop palette that I created on their website. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, then be sure to keep on watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram. Let's get into the video. Alrighty guys, let's go ahead and get into it. I know I'm looking a little haggard. Don't judge me. We're in the middle of a makeup tutorial. Alrighty, so as you can see, I have my base makeup done already, as well as one eye done already. So for my base makeup, today I used the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 in the shade. What shade is this? WN96. Oh, Chai. Right here. And for my bronzer, I use my True Radiance Complexion Contour Palette right here. This shade right there in the middle. For my blush today, I also used a Black Radiance product. This is a blush in Warm Berry right here. Let's see, right there. And for my highlighter, it is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. This is actually my favorite highlight right there. So let's get into this eye real quick. So for my eye look today, it is the Colourpop palette right here. This is just a Z palette that I picked a few shades and put that in. So those are the shades right there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first shade was this shade in the middle right here. And I believe this is called, what is it called? Oh, it's called Oh Ship. So we're just going to put that all over the lid and in the crease as well. All right, so now that that is all done, we're going to take our next color, which is going to be this color here called Cater to You. It's going to be this color right there. And we're going to tap that with our finger all over the lid. All right, just like that. Ignore that. Then we're going to go back in with the Oh Ship color, and we're going to go ahead and blend that out. Make sure we don't have any harsh lines. All right, so now that that is all blended out, I want to take another color. It's going to be this, what is it called? Turntables color here, right here at the end. And I'm going to take that on my finger as well and then dab it on top of the Cater to You color. All right, and there we have it. 3 colors. Totally, I love this eye look. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and, what am I going to do next? Well, I want to bring this look together. So I'm going to take a smaller brush and see if I can use that ship color to on my bottom line, on my bottom lash line. Let's see. All right, guys, and those are the eyes. What do you think? I love them. I love the color pink, at least on my face anyway. All right, so I'm gonna go and finish the rest of my look off camera, and then I'll be back with the lips. All right, guys, we are back. All right, I aligned my eyes and I put on some lashes. Speaking of which, my eyeliners is by e.l.f. the cream gel liner right on over here, and my lashes are by Eyelure London, the Luxe Silk lashes. These are really nice. I really like those. All right, so let's get into these lips. Since the eyes are a bit heavy today, let's go nude. So I'm gonna start off with this Colourpop lippy pencil. This liner is in the color Control. So it's this like chocolatey brown color right here. Let's go ahead and line our lips with that. All right, she is on. Then we're gonna do another Colourpop. This is the lipstick, the Colourpop lipstick in the shade Appy. It is actually a really nude color right there. I'm gonna put that in the center. Nice. All right, and to bring it all together, we're gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline. It's a real brownie color. I really like this shade. It's really nice. Neutral. All right, guys, and these are the lips. Does it all look great? All right, I'm gonna go throw on my wig and bring all this together, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. We got the hair going, we got the top going, and all the feels, okay? So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video thus far, and I look forward to seeing you guys come on back. So be sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to hit the bell notification as well. And follow me on Instagram. All of it will be linked down below. I hope you guys will come back and see me for the next video. Until then, have a good one.